My precious child, as you rise on this beautiful morning, I bless you. I speak directly today into the spirit of someone who is feeling the temptation to take the easy way out, to quit pursuing your dreams. You feel like giving up the dreams and destiny I've placed in your heart. But I urge you, do not give in to defeatism. You are so much closer to your breakthrough than you know. Have faith and keep pressing forward into your calling. I see the weariness in your soul. This journey of faith has been long and difficult for you, full of trials and opposition. There were many times you wanted to throw in the towel and walk away, but now is not the time to give up, my beloved. You have come too far to turn back now. Your perseverance and endurance have brought you to the brink of my promises coming to pass in your life. The enemy wants you to doubt, so near the finish line, that you will ever see my word fulfilled. He comes to steal away hope and lure you backwards. But remain steadfast and vigilant. Your reward is on its way. Let me open your eyes to see spiritually where you stand at this crossroads moment. The temptation to slide into compromise and resignation beckons you onto the broad downhill road. But by my spirit, I point you to the narrow uphill path. Though difficult, it leads to blessings beyond your wildest dreams. The easier road leads only to spiritual stagnation, delay, and missed opportunities. I know at times you feel utterly spent, my child. The trials and setbacks of recent years have pressed hard against your endurance limits. But you have kept trusting in my purpose and plan, even when you couldn't see very far ahead. What the enemy intended to destroy and delay you, I am using to propel you forward into your destiny. Your persistent faith has prepared you for this moment when breakthrough is upon you. For some of you faithful ones, you have spent countless hours fasting, laying prostrate, crying out for me to come and bring revival, healing, provisions, and direction. Now the external pressures closing in feel like the olive press squeezing hard within your spirit. The process is painful and confusing, I know, but necessary to produce the fresh anointing I have for this next chapter of your life and calling. Hold on and stay the course a little longer, my beloved. Though you are weary in body and soul, your perseverance and endurance are setting you up for divine connections, miracles, and favor. I move in ways that are mysterious to you with your earthly perspective. I work in unexpected ways beyond what you can see now to produce eternal glory in your life. As you overcome adversity through childlike trust in my unfailing love, you receive an eternal weight of glory. What I have prepared for you, my faithful one, is so magnificent that your present trials will seem light and momentary when you look back, compared to the joy set before you. Fix your eyes not on your negative circumstances and emotions, but on the unseen eternal rewards I have promised you. The economic lack, sickness, loneliness, and despair you now face are temporary illusions, not your ultimate reality. What I am secretly preparing you for is an everlasting destiny of fruitfulness, influence, prosperity, and purpose. You will emerge from this wilderness leaner of soul, but stronger of spirit. Keep believing. Your day of celebration and vindication is at hand. Do not become preoccupied with or overwhelmed by what you see right now in the natural realm. The problems, shortages, sickness, confusion, and despair, it is all fleeting. Realize the light within you is greater than any darkness. The breakthrough I have prepared for you is eternal, not temporary. It will radically impact and transform your life and future generations. You are marked and chosen to walk in blessing and divine favor. I am establishing you permanently in a new dimension of influence, prosperity, health, joy, and family legacy. You have built Christ-like tenacity, patience, and resilience. As you have clung to me through the storms, your roots have grown deep in my unconditional love. You have learned to trust me as your good father, provider, and healer. Difficulties have forced you to lean wholly on me in your weakness. This preparation was vital because the increase in blessings and responsibility I am releasing requires a level of maturity and godly character to steward it wisely. Many who wander from me and my ways when times get challenging cannot handle the spiritual authority and influence I desire to grant you, my faithful one. The perseverance you have developed in obscurity is opening doors of opportunity for you to impact lives for eternity. You are truly ready. My beloved child, be greatly encouraged today. Breakthrough is upon you. The reward for your steadfast faith and endurance is at hand. You have persevered through the wilderness and now stand at the edge of your promised land, a land flowing with more milk and honey than you can imagine. Do not give in to discouragement now, when your moment of victory and vindication is so near. Press on with indestructible hope and expectant faith. Together we will finish this race strongly. Keep your eyes on me, your loving Father. I am right by your side, now and forevermore. Let me wipe away your tears. My perfect love casts out all fear and doubt. I delight in you, my precious child. You are my beloved, chosen to display my glory. Great adventures lie ahead as you step into your destiny and calling. My beloved, you have journeyed long and hard to arrive at this pivotal moment. The wilderness has stretched you thin. Your faith has been tested through fiery trials. There were days you struggled to take even one more step forward. But by my grace, you persevered. And now you stand at the edge of your promised land, a destiny beyond your wildest dreams. This is not the time to shy away in fear that it is too good to be true. My beloved child, in this pivotal moment, you stand on the threshold of a future crafted by faith, not by fear. You've journeyed through valleys and climbed mountains, each step a testament to your resilience. Remember, I am not a distant observer. I am with you in every breath, every challenge. In your moments of doubt, when the world's noise drowns out my whispers of love and purpose, pause and listen. I am there, in the quiet, speaking life into your dreams. You've asked for signs, for guidance, and I have provided them in ways you might not yet understand. As you forge ahead, embrace the unknown with courage. The path may twist and turn, but it is leading you to a place of profound growth and joy. Let go of the need to control every outcome. Trust in my timing, for it is perfect. The blessings I have in store for you require not just faith, but patience. In moments of weakness, when you feel like you are walking alone, remember the footprints in the sand. It is then that I carry you. Your burdens are mine, your sorrows are mine. Lay them at my feet, and I will give you rest. You're about to step into a season of abundance. The seeds of faith you've sown in tears will soon sprout in joy. The dreams you thought were dead are being resurrected by my power. The visions you've held close to your heart are about to unfold in vivid color. Do not be swayed by naysayers or the storms of life. You are stronger than you realize, more capable than you know. In me, you have everything you need to overcome. Your story is a testament to my faithfulness, a beacon of hope to those still walking through their valleys. As you move forward, keep a spirit of gratitude. Thankfulness is the key that unlocks blessings. It shifts your perspective, aligns your heart with mine, and opens your eyes to the miracles happening around you. Finally, know this: you are loved beyond measure, cherished beyond words. In you, I take delight. You are not just my creation. You are my joy, my pride, my beloved child. Go forth in this truth and let it be the wind beneath your wings no matter the adversities that may still arise. You have cultivated an inner resilience that will carry you through. The transformation I have brought about in your character was not just to prepare you for external increase in influence. More importantly, it was to develop Christ-like virtues within: humility, integrity, wisdom, compassion. These heart qualities far outweigh any earthly wealth, accolades, or material possessions, for you cannot take those things with you beyond this life. But your relationship with me, and the person you have become in walking closely with me, last for eternity. As you step courageously forward, do not view this new season merely as a destination of achieved dreams finally realized. See it rather as part of a lifelong journey of growth, adventure, and discovery as we travel together. New lessons await around each turn. New vistas will unfold before you. There will be surprises, challenges, unforeseen storylines that I am weaving. Not every day will be easy or joy-filled, but in all of it, I remain steady at your side. My love envelops you and my purposes propel you. You may not fully recognize it yet amid earthly struggles and mundane routines, but you are playing a vital role in my kingdom plans, in ways visible and invisible, recognized and obscure. Every positive action, every selfless choice, every act of compassion makes an eternal difference. Small daily offerings of kindness are like seeds that grow into lush gardens over time. Never underestimate the power of one life, fully submitted to walking in my ways, fully open to being led by my spirit. Stay near me, my beloved child, and together we will continue to leave divine footprints upon this earth. We will write an eternal story over the canvas of your days on earth. The full depth and meaning of our shared experiences now may remain shrouded in mystery, but glimpses of understanding will unfold over time, especially in retrospect. And then one day, when we meet face to face in my heavenly realm, you will recognize the exquisite design and detail I wove through decades of steadfast faith. Together, we will marvel at the masterpiece our lives formed in the fullness of time.